The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way. Find a way out.
Can you hear the whispers? They're so loud between us. Can you feel the silence echoing from you? I can hear the distance. Can you see my words? They're vanishing right before you.